What's going on, everybody? It's Cam here at All Things Automotive, and today we got 2017 Ford F-150. It says a super cab. Also does have the 5.0 V8 in this truck. As you see, extended cab, 8-foot bed, kind of a unicorn of a truck, but hard to find trucks anymore with 8-foot bed. So, gonna do a little walk around here. Looks like it's got chrome bumper and grille, 17-inch wheels. Looks like we got brand new brakes and rotors in there. You can see the paint on the rotors and everything still. Tires definitely got plenty of tread left on them. Chrome running boards down the side. Take a look back here. You see it is 4-wheel drive. It definitely does have the long bed. Looks like we have a full matching set of Firestone tires the whole way around this thing. See, plenty of tread left on the rear tires. And brakes and rotors in the back. All look pretty new. Does have the drop-in bed liner in this one. Also does have the trailer hitch back there with the 4- and 7-way plugs. Right there. Also does have the backup camera underneath the handle. Gas on the right side. This would be the left side, actually. Does have your keyless entry pad there as well. On the inside, you have all your electronic controls right on the door for your windows, locks, and mirrors. Does have a manual style slider for the seat, so slide the whole way back. Also does have the vinyl floors, which makes this truck pretty easy to keep clean. On to the inside, headlight controls here on the left side of the steering wheel. This directional pad here is for the display in the middle, which I'll go ahead and show you. Go ahead and just light everything up here in the dash. There we go. And there you go. You can see everything is set up for trip right now, but you can actually change that to whatever you would like. Most people like to keep it on miles per hour, just that way you don't have to keep on looking over to the speedo. It's right there in the middle in your view. So, below that is your cruise control settings. Over here are your radio control settings, and then below that are your hands-free talking settings for your cell phone. So on the radio, it does have the smaller screen, but it does have all the presets and stuff still for your dial pad and everything over there. Does have all your radio settings here for your CD. It does have a CD player slot right down here, which you can see. Also has the capability for Sirius radio for your XM satellite radio fans out there. This directional pad here is for the radio as well, so you can change your selections and things like that. Volume control on the left, tuner on the right. Down here is your air conditioning settings. Does have single zone climate, so the left side is your fan controls. Right side is your temperature control. Below that, you do have a couple USB plugins and stuff down here in the bottom. Plug in your cell phone with another 12-volt plug-in down there as well. Does have the 40-20-40 split front. So it does have the bench seat in the front that can be folded up. With plenty of extra. Oh, cup holders fell out. It does have our absorbent cup holder pads in there in case you get moisture in there, that will soak it up. On this side, it does have another 12-volt plug-in to charge in cell phones. In the glove box, you can see it does have the factory books on the shelf there, as well as that white sheet is our safety checklist sheet. Be sure to check that out. It shows you everything that we did to the vehicle to make sure it was safe for you and your family. So, up to the top side, you will see that it does have a visor with a mirror on the driver's side as well as the passenger side. No illumination, no. Also up here does have the sunglass holder as well. There we go. So, we'll go ahead and just do a final walk around here. We try to be as transparent and upfront about everything, show you all the great things about a truck, as well as any minor flaws it may have. So, just a little bit of a final walk around here. Start here at the front though. Let's go across the hood. A couple little minor stone chips in the front. Down the side, looks like there might be one little stone chip there. A little bit of dirt. This truck does have the tow mirrors on it as well, as you can see. Did not point that out earlier. I'll point it out now though. No door dings or anything. Up top you can see no damage up there. Down the left bed side, everything looks good. No dings or nothing. Under the tailgate, everything looks good on the tailgate. A couple little stone chips and stuff up there on the top. This one little mark right there, nothing too bad. Down this side, no more door dings or anything like that I see. Under the doors, everything looks good. Take a look at the pillars and everything. Top of the doors look good, and you can see up here, no damage or anything on the roof. And on to the final quarter fender. So if you guys have any questions about this truck, please feel free to give us a call at 717-485-4224. Sales extension is 1502. If you don't have time to give us a call, you can always look us up on the web at allthingsautomotive.com and request information about this truck as well as any other vehicle we have on our website directly through our website. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you have a wonderful day.